Monica, could you help us understand a little bit about how we can prevent the spread of colds and flu?
So sneezing and cough are common symptoms with colds, but there are also easy ways for children or adults to spread germs, especially in environments like school or work. So one natural way that often what people do is that they cover their mouths with their hands, but in fact then they cover their hands with germs. So one great strategy actually is to sneeze or cough into your elbow. That's often something that we model, that we show children how to do in the exam room. Or to cough or sneeze into a tissue. And I always remind parents and children to wash their hands immediately after.
Show us what you mean when you say cough into your elbow.
Oh, sure. That would be coughing or sneezing into your elbow, like so.